Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, today I'm holding on to the Japanese slipper, or I should call it the Japanese slip. Why? Because I'm gonna use this thing right in there instead. I'm gonna slip it right in there instead of your Grand Marnier or Cointreau, any type of orange liqueur of the sort. No, forget about that, you guys. You're gonna add French ginger. Ginger liqueur, look at that. Perfect, delicious. Just the bite of the ginger, the spiciness, enhanced with the melon liqueur, enhanced with the citrus flavor of this leftover lemon or lime, whatever. It's kind of going in between. It had a fusion, some type of stuff. But you guys, if you're excited to learn how to make this drink and find out how good and delicious it is, I'm telling you, it's delicious. But don't take my word for it. Stay tuned and find out how to create it yourself. All right, guys, so let's get ready. Separate both of our shakers. We're gonna start off with, not Grand Marnier, of course, but 1 ounce of Midori. Let's get that right in there. 1 ounce. Delicious melon liqueur. Bam, 1 ounce. Now follow it up with your ginger liqueur. That's spicy. Deliciousness. Straight from France. Bam. Beautiful bottle. Looks nice. Almost looks like a sugar cane. You're gonna cut your lemon. And another ounce of this, guys. I just know it's gonna be an ounce. I just know it. I feel it in my jellies, guys. Followed up with 4 ice cubes. Shake it all up. Usually, I would have this chilling, but I want you guys to see how the actual drink looks. Oh, let's get shaken. After you get all the condensation going, open that sucker up. Get your strainer with the skull. Double strain this shit. Bam. Look at all those little ice cubes in there. Almost all the way to the top. Boom, put them back in there, make a mess. Then you get your cherries, bam! Keep them in your back pocket, warm them up, certain temperature. Just get that cherry right in there. Try to take as much as that liquid out of there, just so it doesn't change the color. Drop it right in there. Look at that, you guys. Ooh, if that's not beautiful and nice, then I don't know what nice and beautiful is, you guys. Just take a sip. Ooh. Okay, that's delicious, guys. I think I actually like it better than this, just because I feel like the citrusy from this and this, just, it's too much citrus. But with this, like the ginger, you can actually taste. If you're a fan of ginger, it's gonna taste amazing to you guys, just like it tastes for me. I'm a big fan of ginger and lemon or lime. I don't care, either one. This is very delicious. I'm gonna take another sip real quick. Yes, you guys, and it looks beautiful, looks nice. More like a girly drink, but hey, who says a man can't carry it too, you know? This is Alejandro the Mixologist. If there's any drink out there you want me to create, you guys, comment down below, drop the name of the drink, tell me what to make, you guys, come on. I wanna drink different things, I wanna try out different stuff, you guys. I'm always busy, but I'm always down to try a new drink, right? So remember, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.